And just yesterday, we learned that this experimental vaccine treatment seems to be working. Dr. John Nemunaitis from the Mary Crowley Cancer Research Center joins us live from the Fort Worth newsroom now to talk about this treatment. Doctor, explain what's led to this type of targeted, patient-driven therapeutic research.
Sure, Keith. Yeah, it's actually a combination of things. Hard work through a lot of people, scientists, frustration that we're not where we need to be with treatment of cancer, and a unique discovery by Donald Rao where we identify breaking down the immune system and a particular way of blocking certain genes that protect cancer from the immune system. We block these genes, cancer can't be protected, and the immune system can kill the cancer cells.
All right, in the early trials of this vaccine, what types of cancers have you used the therapy on, and what type of results have you seen?
Well, we're best known for our work in lung cancer and melanoma. We've seen dramatic responses in ovarian cancer and hepatocellular cancer and neuroendocrine cancer. I think the most memorable is a gentleman with melanoma whose son was in Afghanistan at the time, and he was emailing me, and his dad was afraid to go on treatment. Well, his daughter, who was a nurse, convinced him to go on treatment, and he's now 2.5 years with one of our vaccines, had complete resolution of his melanoma, and it's a very gratifying story to be able to tell his family that.
Oh, wow, gratifying to say the least. And now you're entering phase 2 of the trial, and you're looking for specific patients. Tell us, what types of patients are you looking for?
Yes, we're working very closely with the FDA, and between us and them and our team, ovarian cancer is where we think a very important focus needs to be. It's specifically patients with stage 3C ovarian cancer who are surgical candidates, and they would be eligible for the study.
All right, doctor, I can't imagine anyone who hasn't been touched by cancer in one way or another. You mentioned earlier frustration in finding a cure. Why has it taken so long to find a cure for cancer? Is it the aggressiveness and the stealthiness of the disease? What's taken so long?
It is, and some of it is discovery waiting to happen and discovery that's happened but hasn't moved into the clinic. Our focus is largely focused on making these things, making a difference in the clinic and the clinical situation. Sometimes when we do treat mice, it's different in people, and as we move forward in managing patients in the clinic, we can discover new and different ways that we didn't expect. The genetic work that's going on today is what's very important. In the last 10 years, very important discoveries have been made.
All right, and incredible research taking place right here in North Texas. Dr. John Nemunaitis from the Mary Crowley Cancer Research Center, thanks for joining us.
Thank you.
Is that not hopeful? Certainly a reason, a smile today, and another beautiful day on the book.